As you can see, the traffic lights are changing in a cyclic manner. Now we will demonstrate the components used in a setup. The frame has a RFID reader installed in it along with 3 ultrasonic sensors, and these are controlled by Arduino Megas. The frame and the traffic lights are connected wirelessly through LoRa receiver and sender. For this particular frame, the corresponding traffic light is this one. For other 3 traffic lights, similarly, the frame will be installed in different lanes. We will be using 3 more such frames, but for demonstration purposes, we have used just one. Now we will be demonstrating the setup for emergency vehicles. This is the ambulance, which is an emergency vehicle, and it has an RFID card installed in it. This is a normal vehicle which may or may not have an RFID card. Now we will demonstrate how the emergency service works. Go. The emergency vehicle now passes through the frame. The traffic light of the lane 1 changes to green immediately, and this is for 8 seconds, or it can be changed for any purposes. Initially the duration for green light is 3 seconds. Now we will demonstrate the process for adaptive traffic control system, in which the duration of the green light depends upon the number of vehicles. This is the vehicle which will pass through the frame. Let us suppose 3 vehicles has passed through the lane. Then the corresponding green light duration of the lane will change. Now as you can see, the duration for the green light has increased. As you can see, it is more than 3 seconds. It was almost green for 10 seconds. Now it goes back to the normal state. Now the traffic light goes back to the normal state. Again, if it will come back and there are no vehicles, it will again be for 3 seconds. Many vehicles has passed. We can see the number of vehicles on the screen.